Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to add the calligraphic letter W to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX Code. So calligraphic letter W is the 23rd letter in the modern English alphabet, which is a Latin alphabet consisting of 26 letters. And we'll start here by creating a new Markdown cell. Here we'll add in lowercase calligraphic W, and we'll use the command mathcal, so as a backslash followed by mathcal, and we'll input in this command in lowercase w, then add $2 symbols before and after the LaTeX code to actually show this letter. So now when we run this cell, we have a lowercase calligraphic letter W here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So we can also have a look at adding an uppercase calligraphic W. We'll use the same command mathcal, and we'll input in this command a capital W and then add $2 symbols before and after the LaTeX code. So now when we run this cell, we have an uppercase calligraphic letter W here centered in the middle of the Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell. So this is how to add the calligraphic letter W to a Jupyter Notebook Markdown cell using LaTeX code.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.